After a few good rains, our eggplant bed has changed a lot. The plants have grown well, but so have the weeds. As you can see, weeds are now growing all over the bed. On top of that, pests have started attacking the leaves, and some of the eggplants have also been damaged. A few fruits are already spoiled and won't be worth harvesting. If we leave the bed like this, the plants will have a harder time growing and producing healthy fruit. So today, we're going to clean everything up and give these eggplants the care they need. The first thing we're doing is removing all the weeds. Weeds may not seem like a big problem, but they compete with the eggplants for water, nutrients, and sunlight. After rain, they grow very quickly and can take over the bed before you know it. They also make it harder to spot pests and can create hiding places where insects like to stay. By clearing them out, we're making sure our eggplants get the food and water they need instead of sharing it with unwanted plants. It also makes the bed much easier to work in. Now that the weeds are gone, it's time to prune the plants. These eggplants have put on a lot of new growth, and some of them have become too crowded with leaves. When there's too much foliage, air can't move through the plant properly. After rain or watering, the leaves stay wet for longer, and that can lead to more pest and disease problems. We'll remove some of the extra leaves to open up the plants. While we're at it, we're also cutting off leaves that have been damaged by pests. There's no reason for the plant to keep spending energy on badly damaged leaves when it could use that energy to grow healthy ones instead. We're also removing any fruits that have been attacked. Once an eggplant is badly damaged, it usually won't recover. Leaving it on the plant can attract even more pests, so it's better to remove it now and let the plant focus on growing fresh, healthy fruits. Just look at the bed now. It already looks much cleaner, and it's much easier to reach every plant. Better airflow, more sunlight, and a cleaner growing area will all help these plants stay healthier. Now it's time to feed them. We have a simple fertilizer made from crushed eggshells and wood ash. Eggshells provide calcium, which helps plants grow strong stems, healthy roots, and better quality fruits. Wood ash adds potassium along with other useful minerals. Potassium supports flowering, fruit development, and helps plants stay strong during the growing season. We'll sprinkle this mixture around the base of each plant so the nutrients can slowly work into the soil. The last step is taking care of the pests. We're mixing a little neem oil with lukewarm water and spraying it on the plants. As we spray, we'll check both the top and the underside of the leaves because that's where many insects like to hide. Whenever we find a pest, we'll spray it directly instead of spraying everywhere. That makes the treatment more effective. With the weeds gone, the plants pruned, the damaged fruits removed, the fertilizer applied, and the neem oil sprayed, this eggplant bed is in much better shape. A little care like this every now and then can keep your plants healthy and give you a much better harvest in the weeks ahead.